Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix McDonald's app not showing cart. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to turn off your Wi-Fi. So perhaps the single most common problem people run into when using the McDonald's app is connectivity issues. So if you're using a public Wi-Fi network, perhaps even at a McDonald's restaurant, a low quality connection might be interfering with the app. So just swipe down from the top of the screen to see the control center, or shortcut panel, tap the Wi-Fi icon to temporarily disable it, then try using the app again. And the next that you can do is to restart the McDonald's app. So it is also possible that your McDonald's app is misbehaving. So just force the app to close and then restart it, so that may fix the problem. And the next what you can do is to sign out and sign in again. So in the McDonald's app, or if there's some corrupt data in the data and cache in the McDonald's app related to your account information, another likely fix is to sign out of your account within the app and then sign in again. So in the McDonald's app, tap More at the bottom of the screen and then tap Profile, and to the right of your account, just simply tap Sign Out. So as you can see here in the photo, and after that, return to the More menu to sign back in. And then next, what you can do is to see if the McDonald's app servers are online. So for the McDonald's app to work properly, it needs to communicate with the restaurant's online service. So it is unusual for that service to be offline, but if you're still having trouble with the app, it is a possibility. So next, what you can do is to clear your app data. So you might be encountering the problem with the McDonald's app data cache if the cache has become corrupted. So you might need to clear it for the app to work again properly. And then unfortunately, the only way to clear an iPhone's app cache is to uninstall the app and then reinstall it from the App Store. But you can clear the McDonald's app cache on Android without removing the app. And to do that, just go ahead and follow the steps right here. So start with the Settings app and then tap the apps, and then if necessary, tap See All Apps and then tap the McDonald's from the options. And then tap Storage and Cache and tap Clear Storage. And then next, what you can do is to restart your phone. So if you're still having trouble with the McDonald's app, you might need, or you might want to restart your phone. So this will flush out any temporary software issues that are plaguing the app and your phone. Then you can turn off most Android phones by holding the power button for several seconds, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to see the shortcuts panel and tap the power icon. And lastly, what you can do is to reinstall the McDonald's app. So if all else fails, you should try and delete and then reinstall the McDonald's app. So this can not only clear out any corrupted data associated with the app, but it might solve a problem with the app installation itself. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.